Who hasn't heard of the most recent AI program, ChatGPT? People are amazed by this AI system because it almost seems like you're talking to someone who knows everything under the sun. But have you really explored ChatGPT and figured out how you could use it to make your life easier? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be telling you the 5 ways you could use ChatGPT to make your life easier. Maybe you've only been using it as a search engine or a program that solves your math homework, but it could do so much more than that. So keep your eyes glued to this video, and we'll tell you how to utilize the hottest AI program. But before we get started, we want to know what you think about ChatGPT. Has it been a lifesaver like the enthusiasts are saying, or do you think we shouldn't rely so heavily on it? Let us know what you think in the comments down below. I think one of the best ways to use ChatGPT is to have it assist you to land a job. If you're still stuck at home and troubling yourself over applying for numerous companies, why not have ChatGPT help you out? This AI system is really flexible, and you won't believe the things it can do. With the right prompts, you can request for a personalized cover letter, a short description of your work ethics, and even a follow-up email that you could send after a job interview. If you want a customized cover letter that's based on your experiences and skills, simply copy and paste your resume in the chat. For number 2, ChatGPT could help you out in the kitchen. At first, I definitely thought it was unnecessary to use an AI to help me figure out a recipe. But when I tried it out, there was no turning back at the generic food blog recipes anymore. ChatGPT can help you find an alternative ingredient if you don't have it in your fridge or are allergic to it. Want to find a quick vegan recipe for buffalo wings? This helpful AI program can give you a hand with that as quickly as you enter your request. Searching for recipes on the web is easy, but you might be scratching your head a few minutes later because that food blog is really stalling with their life story before giving you the recipe. You won't have to waste your time again if you go to ChatGPT instead. If you're also planning out your meal for the next few days, simply give specific prompts like your kind of diet or your budget for every meal, and it'll quickly give you useful recipes. Coming in at number 3, gift suggestions. If you were to ask me where I was over the holidays, I can assure you that I was not sitting around planning gifts for my loved ones. You should take advantage of the fact that ChatGPT responds to you as though there is someone on the other end of the line. If you're still unsure of what to get someone, just enter their interests and hobbies in the chat box, and ChatGPT will provide you with a lengthy list of ideas. Concerned about exceeding your budget? If you felt that the AI's recommendations weren't helpful, you can set a budget and ChatGPT will quickly adjust to it. And if you want an age-specific gift, just include it in your prompt and the AI will respond with age-appropriate gifts. In my opinion, using ChatGPT will definitely make birthdays and holidays less hectic with this feature. We're almost through with the list. So before we get back into it, here's a quick reminder to give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on the latest tech news. Going back to number 4, did you know you could use ChatGPT to decide for you? Maybe that's an overstatement, but if you're really torn about something, it gives you a quick rundown of the pros and cons of each decision. Or maybe it's another friend that needs advising. Then you could just tell the chat box the whole situation, and ChatGPT will send you different approaches to resolve the problem. Whether it's relationship advice or indecisiveness about a career path, the AI system has you covered. But maybe don't tell your friend that your advice was from an AI just so it could be more sentimental and seem like it came from the heart. And last but not the least, ChatGPT is probably best known as your all-around personal tutor. Whether it's mathematics, programming, or essay writing, there's no way this AI program could miss. If you want to add a bit of your personality in an essay that you're writing, you could request for a comedic piece. If there's something wrong with the program that you're coding, simply run it through with the AI system and it'll correct it for you right away. It could even write a sales pitch, a script for a stand-up comedy, and a well-written haiku. There's so much more that ChatGPT can do, but these are all the ways that I could come up with that would help you in your daily activities. Don't hesitate to request a lot more things from this amazing AI program, because you may never know what else it can do for you. The sky's the limit with ChatGPT, as long as you know how to work around it. Unfortunately, that's all for today's video. If you want to know more about ChatGPT and the controversy that followed its release, you can check out our other video by clicking the button above. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get you updated for our next upload.